saying goodbye to Hells.
No, at least we have 2 cars and he can go shopping and go places when he needs to.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Hey guys, so finally we're here today to witness Babe can drive on his own now. So that means he has, you know, some freedom to drive and get around, and if I'm not feeling well, go to the shops and buy stuff, and I don't have to particularly come with him, so now he can do it on his own.
Yeah, so today I went with an instructor on the road, you know, and they call it peas. I got my red peas in today. Yeah. So you want to tell them what a red pea is, babe? Otherwise, from your Hells.
So after your learner's license, you get a license that is called provisional license, and after the provisional license, you go for a provisional 2 license, which is the provisional 1 is red peas, which is red pea plate, and then the provisional 2 is green pea plates. So if he has a good clean record for about a year on these ones, then he can go for his greens, and then he keeps the greens for 2 years, and then he goes for his full license. So, you know, all in good timing, everything's working out, so I'm happy for him, and congratulations, my darling. I'm so happy for him, which is really, really good.
No, I can drop Babe to work, you know.
Which I'm going to work now.
Yeah, you know, so
yeah,
it's
a good thing. It's a good look. Hey, Ireland, and Daddy and Ireland can go, you know, to karate lessons or whatever it may be, a little athletics when Ireland is old enough to go, you know, because I work evenings, so it'd be easy for Babe to come home and take him to his sporting events. So yeah, it's a vibe.
Yeah, man.
We're on a roll now.
We're there.
We're there. Woohoo! So big up for Babes, congratulations, and all the best.
Yeah, man.
Alright
guys, so I just dropped off Babe to work, and I'm heading back home now. You see it, so yeah, man, it's a good look, you know, you see it. Yeah, man. You good, Bubba?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, so I went to work today, guys. It was an early day for me because I had to take the time off to go with the instructor, you know, to get my test done, and luckily I passed. I actually went 2 weeks ago, and I failed by, well, what I failed with was my head checks, you know, so I didn't get my head checks right, so he failed me, but everything else was good. He said, you know, I drive well and everything, and use my indicator and all of that, so, but I didn't get my head checks right. But this time around, I make sure I say, you know, practice and thing and get it right. Yeah, man, so, you know, definitely feels good to be on the road, because to be honest, guys, I've actually went to work a couple times, because usually I'd ride my bicycle to work because it's close by, and like when it's raining, I would normally ask Babe to drop me off, and sometimes she's too tired, so there's been a couple times where I actually went to work on my L's, you know what I mean, and you know, that's actually illegal, isn't it? So it feels good to actually can drive on the road comfortable now, confident and everything. Yeah, man, so that's that. Goodbye, Els.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Island family. It's your girl Maria.
And the island boy Africa.
Hey guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that link below and
It's dark.
Subscribe.
Yeah, man.
Is it? It's a bit dark, isn't it?
Welcome, guys.
Welcome. So guys, big man is now a driver.
Yeah.
Is that how you say it, big man?
Yeah, been a driver for a while, but what's the difference is that I can also drive on my own now. Yeah, so that's a good thing now.
Yeah, so he can go and buy me pads for that time of the month. If I'm not feeling like I need to go out and I'm not feeling well, Babe can go for me now. I don't have to come with him, which is really good. Really good. It's a vibe. And yeah, so how does it feel to be behind the driver's seat and me not telling you what you have to do?
It feels good. It feels good, you know.
More responsibility on you.
Yeah, I mean, it feels even weird. Yesterday after
That's bright.
yeah, yesterday I even went to the shop on my own. Like I was like, what, this feels so different, you know, because normally you would be in the car.
Yeah.
So yeah, definitely gonna get used to it.
That's crazy. So we got little Bobo at the back there, and he's
fall asleep.
sleeping. But we're here at the markets, guys, and also going around just looking at the cars and stuff as well, because we're not in a hurry to buy anything at the moment, but just having a look, because I know that Babe's gonna want to, you know, go fishing and all that kind of thing. So yeah, so like, you know, at least we have 2 cars and he can go shopping and go places when he needs to. If he doesn't feel like dropping me off to work, I can just grab my car and go to work, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, and vice versa. So that's what we're doing at the moment. But first we're going to go to a market and buy some veggies. So let's go.
Yeah, so we're in a small town called Kyogle.
Kyogle.
Yeah, man, so
Kyogle town. So yeah,
we've been here before at this market. I think we actually did a vlog here before.
Yeah, a very long time
very
ago,
long time.
like when you first migrated here. So like that, over almost 2 years ago now. Yeah. So guys, let's go.
Let us go.
Let's do it.
Alrighty.
Well, I can hear more dogs. Kyogle's a dog city. Hey, little boy.
Hi.
How are you? How doing? Come. Oh, bless you. Bless you. Come on. Oh, bless you again. Hey, should we get some sweet potatoes and Irish?
Yeah.
Or you grab them and I'll film you today.
The last time we came here, it was more busy.
Mr. Oasis. Oh yeah, 2 for $5 or $3 each. Maybe just grab 2 of them. Yeah, just grab 2 of these. And get some red onions too.
Should have the red, green and yellow.
Ah, true. Do you have that in Jamaica, the red, green and yellow? I know you have the red and green.
Yeah, we have them.
Oh, I've never seen the yellow ones.
2 of them?
Yeah, just 2 of them's good. Okay, cucumbers. 3. Ah?
Cucumber.
Cucumber.
Cucumber. Oh, so those are the boxes. You guess so.
Oh, they got green bananas.
I remember this guy from the last time.
The last time we were here. Nice. Lemon.
Lime.
Oh. Farm oranges.
Some big here.
Oh yeah.
Much bigger.
You can take one if you want.
All them kind of feel spoiled though.
Bit overripe. Yeah. Oh, I think you can try them.
I wouldn't just pick it up and try it.
Farm oranges though. We'll grab some.
Farm orange.
$3.99 a kilo or 2 for $5.
You sure they're sweet?
Yeah, they look sweet.
See them look like
Should
so
we try?
See them look like so orange.
You wanna get?
No, we good. Remember we have orange at home still.
Yeah, but they're still not that good. They're a bit spoiled, the ones we got.
Not sure you want them?
I don't know. No, alright. Apples? All types of apples. Oh, babe, look. They're like pear though. I think we tried these ones before.
I believe so.
Yeah, but they remind me of the Jamaican apples. Yeah.
Thank you.
Do you want to grab some? I like these ones. They're nice. Yeah, definitely.
Is this the dragon fruit?
Oh, yes, it is.
Oh,
Yeah.
they have sweet stuff.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, just grab like 2 or 3 of them, babes.
A nice grapes here.
Yeah. How much is your?
Hey, Island. Come. Come, Island. Hey. Opened it for people to try.
It looks, it's a spoiled one.
Oh, is it? Do you want to get bananas?
Green banana. Isn't that?
Do you want to ask him if he's got more greeny?
The thing is that they look green, but they're actually soft. But if you feel it, it's like
Oh, true.
it's not really good.
Special banana, 2 kilo 5. Good
Yeah.
banana, watermelon.
What about the melon?
Last
Banana
time,
tomorrow very good.
yeah.
Tomorrow.
You have any more, like green? More green one?
Yeah, more green. Yeah,
Yeah.
more green. Yeah, 20 green. This one ripe.
Oh.
Eat tomorrow. Very good. Try now.
Try.
Very
Said to
nice.
try.
Try how long?
Thank you.
Thank you.
You like more green?
Not really for cooking, as what I was
Yeah,
thinking.
for cooking. For cooking.
You like cooking? Yeah.
Cooking banana.
Yes.
Mm.
Right. See, 2 for 5. Watermelon, cheap one now. Good watermelon.
Okay.
Pineapple.
We'll get a pine. Pine looks good. These are from definitely from Queensland.
Yeah,
That one looks nice and ripe.
yeah.
Ready
Is
for
it
eat.
butter? Because you can help it check.
Oh, have a look. I don't know. What do you reckon?
Butter with them, so. Yeah, no, not this one.
Not that one?
It's soft here.
It's soft? Okay. Try this one.
You like a box or bag? Like any other thing? Yeah, everything special. Any green, 3 for 10. Only cabbage, everything.
Oh wow, they got 3 for 10 cabbage and that. Yeah. Yeah.
All green, 3 for 10.
Nice.
Alright, thank you.
You
like
have
green
tap? No, no green banana. We want like the one you can cooking.
Yeah, cooking.
Yeah. Do you
Other
usually
cooking.
get them?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, it would be great.
Like next week?
Next
Very
week?
green,
Yeah, yeah, very green.
Yeah.
And do you do taro
Taro sometime.
sometimes? Yam?
Taro only.
Only taro. Okay. Hard to get yam, isn't it?
Damn,
Yeah.
I'll find out. I'll tell someone.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay.
Do card, right?
You do card?
Card?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Put in the box.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, mister. No? Yeah, I know. Hey. Hey, cheeky boy. Yeah. Feta and spinach. You like it?
No.
Really?
Tastes different.
Bit slimy.
Yeah, just weird. The taste just different.
So guys, we're sitting at a cafe here in Kyogle. Just ordered some food. Digi bath. What are you eating? What are you eating? Sausage roll.
We just had a little breakfast there.
Yeah, guys. So just want to get out of this town.
Yeah. Town are full of redneck, as them call them. Yeah, man. Whole heap of bikies. Yeah.
Different kind of people.
Yeah.
In this town, guys.
Yeah.
As
So
you can see.
just on this stretch here.
Around.
Town of Kyogle. That's we are head back, you know. We already got some things from the market. And we're good for now.
They're like little statues.
Ah, that's wicked.
Want me to film? He wants to dance. Okay, Bobo? What else are you gonna do, boy? Come on. Good? Yeah. Hey? You can see that from a mile away. A hall. Why do I get the feeling that that's like some bitter leaf? Slow down, Island. Slow down, Island boy. He's here. He's still dancing. Look at him. Go on, you shake your shoulders. Love music, don't you, Bobo? I think you're going to be the musician in this place. Big music boy, eh? Yeah, doggy. Yeah, woof woof. You might get your own doggy soon. You want one? Yeah. I know you want one. Yeah, so it's been a vibe, guys. You know, just a little show and tell of what Kyogle has to offer, but at the same time, we're supposed to be looking for a car. We're shopping around. We're not really in a hurry, but yeah, just shopping around. So let's see where else we can go and find some cars, yeah? Definitely. Let's go now.
Like the ads.
Could be in an ad, boy. Yeah.
Hi, Bobo. We're here to look at some other cars, guys. Well, some cars.
Cars, guys, for babe.
Yeah.
They have like buses and caravan.
Yeah.
Let's go this way.
Yeah.
So some of these guys guys will sell you a car with no rego, or they'll sell you with rego, but they'll put the price up on the car.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Hey guys, we're back now. So that is a wrap for today. We've exhausted walking around looking at cars and things. We haven't really found something that we like, but trust me, you guys will be the first to know when we do.
Yeah, man.
When Babe picks what he likes. So yeah, we're just, you know, looking around and just exploring our options with cars and things. You know, we don't want to go too expensive.
Yes, I got, in our budget range, it's kind of hard to find at the same time.
Yeah, that's right. So
we just
got to work with what we can at the moment. So yeah guys, this is a wrap. Thank you guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the Island family. You know, we've been doing this for a while, and like I've said it time and time again, I don't know why we haven't, you know, escalated a little bit. I mean, yeah, so follow the real and authentic Island family, guys. We love yous. Take care now.
stay blessed.
Stay blessed.